Building a profitable tech business no longer requires a $1 million seed round or a team of engineers. Because the tools have matured so rapidly, the actual distance between an idea and a functioning revenue stream is now measured in days, not months. Your first step is choosing a path. You can deploy AI tools as a consultant or build specialized software through product building. Consulting offers the fastest route to cash flow with minimal risk. Product building requires more initial setup, but creates a scalable asset with a higher income ceiling. Once you pick a path, you must commit to a strict 7-day execution timeline. This prevents you from overanalyzing your software choices and forces you to focus entirely on landing your first pilot customer. The primary bottleneck for a solo founder is input speed.
If you spend your day manually typing and refining complex prompts in a chat window, your ability to test and improve your business model is limited by your typing speed. You can remove this friction by using high-fidelity voice dictation. Instead of crafting the perfect sentence, you simply speak your requirements naturally. The AI captures your intent, cleans up the errors, and executes the command instantly. This massive reduction in friction allows you to test and iterate 10 times faster than someone tied to a keyboard. In market moving this fast, iteration speed is your only real competitive advantage. The faster you can test a prompt or workflow, the faster you find the version that actually generates revenue. To execute our first playbook, identify high-value local businesses in the U.S., search for medical spas, dentists, or chiropractors, and build a list of 20 offices in your immediate area. Run the lunch hour test.
Call all 20 locations exactly at noon and track how many go to voicemail. Every missed call represents a lost booking and a direct hit to the business owner's bottom line. Call them back and report the data. Tell them exactly how many calls they missed during the lunch rush, and offer to set up a 24/7 AI voice receptionist to handle those bookings and capture that lost revenue. Offer to run the AI agent for free for 1 week to prove the value. Once they see the appointments appearing in their calendar automatically, you transition the service to a $500 monthly retainer. Approaching an owner with specific proof of their own lost revenue is significantly more effective than sending a generic marketing email. You are solving a documented problem rather than selling a vague service. This building represents the traditional search model that is currently being bypassed. Instead of scrolling through pages of Google ads, consumers are increasingly asking AI engines to directly recommend the best local providers. You can audit a business's visibility by querying these AI engines yourself. If a reputable local business fails to appear in these recommendations, you've identified a major gap in their digital presence. Show the business owner the screenshot of them being omitted. Offer to implement an AI-generated content strategy that optimizes their information so the language models actually recognize and recommend them. Because AI recommendations feel organic and trusted, they generate much higher converting clients than traditional paid advertising, making this a high-value offer for any local service. Modern e-commerce brands, from skincare to pet products, spend thousands of dollars every month testing new ad variations on social media to see what resonates with their audience. Using AI production tools, you can take a single product photo and instantly generate dozens of unique, high-motion video variations. Direct message the brand founder and send them 5 free videos you've already created for their product. If the quality is high and the assets are ready to use, they are much more likely to hire you for a bulk delivery contract. The goal is volume. In performance marketing, the ability to rapidly test a massive number of AI-generated variations will always beat the slow, expensive output of a traditional human agency. If you choose to build a product, your focus shifts to the AI-native model currently being funded by elite accelerators. You aren't just selling chat, you are building a specialized tool that solves one specific industry workflow. Look at an industry you know well. Identify the single most annoying, repetitive task that professionals have to complete every single week, something that usually takes them many hours of manual work. You can build a custom interface that wraps around an AI model. The user simply inputs their raw data into these form fields, and your specialized prompts handle the complex processing in the background. Give your prototype to 10 professionals in that industry. If 3 of them are willing to pay for the tool after testing it, you have a validated business that can scale. By wrapping a specialized prompt in a custom user experience, you create a defensible product that captures proprietary data and runs as a high-margin automated software business. We have covered how to identify target markets, the specific data you need to collect for your audits, and the outreach scripts required to turn local business owners into paying clients. Your only objective for the next 7 days is to secure one single pilot customer. Getting that first testimonial changes everything. Once you can prove that your AI system saved a specific business owner time or captured lost revenue, the pitch for your next 10 clients becomes a simple demonstration of those facts. Like this video if you're ready to start building, and share it with your future co-founder. Leave a comment letting us know which path you're taking, and subscribe to USFINOX for weekly guides on executing these tech models.